So what we have here today is the Huion Inspiroy H430P. We got this in the mail. I can't wait to use it. So we're going to unbox it right now for you. Let's take off the top. Oh, cool little crocodile, alligator. He doesn't look like a crocodile or an alligator because of the tail, but you know, anyway. Let's move on to it. Oh, nice thank you note. Thank you for choosing Huion. I actually received an email from them that says I need to update so I can use it on my phone. It's not a actual DVD or CD copy, so this tells you how to download everything, though, apparently. Get that autofocus on. It's not working. Anyway, warranty card to fill out. Here is the magical Huion H430P. Comes in a nice little plastic case. Oh, it's so sleek looking. It's cool. It's got dots. You can't really see the dots. There you go. You can see the dots now. So the dots show you your drawing area. Pretty cool, though. I like it. We'll set it off to the side. Has a battery-free pen. Nice little clickies. There's no eraser on this, to my understanding, but you can set it up with a double-click feature. This is the one that has over 4,000 pressure sensing. It's not the 8,000, but that's fine for what I need it for. Comes with spare nibs, nib pullers. They all look yeah, they're all the same. I guess if they wear out, I have some replacements, you know. Good to go. Comes with a hookup cable, which looks like just a micro USB. Nice long cable too, and an instruction manual to go along with it. Quick start guide. I don't know any of the other languages, but we know English, so that counts, right? That's what we need. So what I'm excited for this little tablet here is because we're developing a game. Let's move all this stuff. We're going to develop a game, and we want to be able to do our own art with it. So that's why I ended up buying it. Call it an early birthday gift. I bought this before my birthday, but who knows? Who knows what I'll get done. We're going to stream on our birthday for the channel and one for mine. God, I turned 35 this year. Ugh. So old. So this is the Huion H430P. Sorry. Excited to use it. Excited to test it out. Shouldn't be too bad. I'm used to paper, so like it feels good. Feels natural. I'll have to get used to clicking it because I'm a lefty. That's why I bought one with the buttons at the top. It has 4 programmable buttons. Nice and clicky. But yeah, I'm lefty, so I didn't want the one with the buttons on the left side because it'd be harder for me to use. I'd have to use my drawing hand every time, so this way I could just click, use my mouse as needed and whatnot. Make it easier for me. So there was 2 like this. One was the EX pen or something like that, or I don't know. It's a pen model, but the Huion is the one that had the best reviews. I like the surface though; it's nice and smooth. I'm used to drawing on paper, but I can get used to this. So we'll go ahead and test it out, and I'll get back with y'all and see how it works. Cool. See y'all soon. Thank you for watching Good Game Fun Time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you wanted to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click on the left side. I really appreciate all the support. If you want to go ahead and watch another video, click on the right. It's pre-selected for you to enjoy. As always, happy gaming. Be sure to click that notification bell down at the bottom to get notifications on all the live videos that come out for you to enjoy. Much love, much respect. Have a great day. Peace out.